Here we are trying to prove that if two inscribed angles, which will be represented by angle C and angle D, intercept the same arc, and for this example it will be arc AB, then angle C and angle D have to be congruent. So by the inscribed angle theorem, we know that angle C is going to equal half the arc of AB. And similarly, we know that the angle D is also going to equal half the arc measurement of AB. So because angle C and angle D both equal half the arc measurement of AB, we can easily conclude that angle C is going to equal angle D. And therefore, by the definition of congruence, we know that angle C will be congruent to angle D, and thus proving the statement.